Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We got a genie light bulb installed for the garage door opener at my cousin's house. It's a liftmaster 3585P, manufactured of June 20th, 2007. I got the new light bulb installed there because the left light, I took that light bulb from the other side to that side to make sure that it's working, but then for a second it wasn't working, but then when I oscillated the light bulb, it makes it work even more. And I got the genie light bulb installed. Already on the liftmaster 3585P. And here is the wall button. Now let's close it. The door is kind of squeaky. Now let's open it back up. Okay, let me close it again and then open it back up. I switched that light bulb from the other side into the left side, but it didn't work the last time. But then when I oscillated it, it started working. Okay, now let's open the garage door one more time and just leave it open. And here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm just gonna leave the garage door open because just so if my cousins need to do something in there, like do their job, I don't know. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.